Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your username in your Spotify account. So first and foremost, you cannot change your username as it is given by the Spotify account exclusively to everyone. So let's see how you can change your name in your profile. So first and foremost, you can go on any of the web browser and type in open.spotify.com, which will then redirect you to the Spotify page. Once you end up in Spotify page, all you need to do is tap on the profile icon and click on accounts. Once you are redirected to accounts, you can see your username there. However, you need to click on edit profile. But unfortunately, you cannot change your username anywhere else. As you can see that usernames are exclusively given to individuals that cannot be changed through any means. So now to change your appearance or change your name in your profile, you need to simply click on your home page and click on profiles. There you can find your profile name or username. You can simply delete it and write any name of your choice and click on the save button. So this is how you can change your name on your Spotify account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.